Akele Wiyo. You see, Christmas on the rich now. Huh? All our brothers, when they outside, all of them go come back. By the time they come back, they go use money, they slap us anyhow. Drink go there, nyafu nyafu. Food go there, banyo. If you get strength to drink yourself anyhow, drink. If you get belly to eat anyhow, eat.
I don't blame them. We dey bad for this villa. We na bad for this villa. I na gwa jogo. If I dey lie, make it asa bose nwo bumagana.
Na yara. Yeah? You know tell him.
Tell who? Tell who?
Don't call me Abuse again, no. I don't do baptism. And because of name spoilers like these people, now make me go change them. I don't do baptism, change my name. Believe God. I tell you, from now on, Tobias, make I hold him on like that. Make peace name for you.
Hey! I better forget Tobias. Forget Tobias! In a jogo. We know ourselves here.
Is he guys? Huh? They send you? Yeah?
Abushi, Tobias, I don't even know the one way you don't change your name in. For this village, now you be the only born again Christian. When we say, if you walk up and down, you tie your cuckoo for your waist. Your drinking cup, you tie for waist. Abushi, I'm not going to go no more. I'm not going to go from Mana, you know, they ever see me walk for road, carry cup, tie for waist. Ah, come on, dear Nez.
Make I tell you, if you don't say for this village, you will so bad people full am. Poison givers. They everywhere.
Which category is they?
I make me no more trouble. I will just carry my this in the water. I jump drink am.
Agbisi, make I tell you, all the bad things wey they do for this town, God go fit forgive you. But when you begin use God name deceive people, I not tell you like that one. Now straight to hellfire they go.
See the dog hell.
Yes, now.
So the bomb. See the dog hell. What are you? See him. Anybody when die, you get reason. Don't give one-sided judgment. Anybody where they give poison, both the giver and the drinkee, all of them get case. If they give you a great drink, don't consign me. Don't consign me. Are they one owner? Are they one owner?
Why you no go support them? Why you no go support your fellow club of destroyers? Then I go a job. I'm no promote the Jesus inside me.
Oh, so make you not call that name now. You not supposed to call that name. Jesus not be shrine. You not shrine you be now. Jesus cannot live inside shrine. You don't know.
Amen. God, no verse. Leave them. Mama be killed. See they bad for Bele. I believe them. Just forgive them. They don't know what they do at all.
God na lie. We know what would they do.
We know.
Yes.
We know what would they do.
We know.
Make I ask you, it gets any year where not the record up to 12 or more victims? Now who you want to see for here now? We don't know you. Who you want to see?
You cannot. You cannot. Where?
this is where I grew up. In this compound. Daluno! I'm going here. Daluno! Let's go. This is my own apartment. Batava. Hey.
Abisi, let I tell you the truth. Now you be the most wicked person we will get for this village.
That you be complete man. Complete that name.
You not fit do me anything. You not fit.
You don't hear me.
Okay. Anything you do me, I go do you times two.
Now, Uncle Tobias. Until we can just sit down. Until we pray.
Should not come back. Yes. Thank God.
You won't go here with me.
Go wait for you. What's the problem of?
It's good to be back. That was a tedious, long journey. I was the one that Ogini, what is it? Why are you forgive me? Tobias.
Tobias, Jesus.
Why Jesus? Because Kabaru na nya batasia. Open Bible na cross. Hey. Eh? Ekwa Tobias. He used to.
That place, like, make sure everything there is supposed to do so. Because you know all this farmland now. Come. Okay, see, make I tell you. You see this nonsense where you go they talk for that place today, where Abusi dey. You just go open your mouth, they talk. And even they try to give you signs, say, okay, stop, no they talk. You open your mouth, they talk like radio will not get battery. You open your mouth, begin to release language, release word like bicycle when fail break. I still tell you, say, okay, take am easy. You dey talk. Okay.
Oh, leave that thing. Leave that thing.
What is your problem?
Nothing they happen.
What do you want you? You dey hear me?
See, listen, make I tell you, nothing they happen. He not fit do me anything. What they fear Agbese now? Even if they fear Agbese, me, I know they fear him. Anything where he like, make him be. Whether not terrorist or make him be. What I know be say, somebody get to tell him the truth. And me, I go always tell him the truth. Morning, afternoon, evening, I go tell him. Nothing they happen. Okay.
It's okay. Igwe. See, make I tell you, I don't talk like Igwe. Okay. They need an open eye for Abusio. Imagine Abusi did this place like they open mouth, they talk all these things, they open eye. You go close your.
Why they talk? I don't fear him now. I tell you.
I don't tell you.
I never even talk to him the way you they talk to him. You they make me suspect you now. Be like saying don't give you something chop. I think that they do something where I don't know. I think.
All right. You never talk to them reach the way I take the talk to them. See, make I tell you. Okay. Yeah. You see this destiny where God they give people. Destiny God they give people. Destiny different. Your destiny and my own no be the same thing.
I know.
You understand?
I know.
If I talk to I drink nyafu.
I know.
If you carry me go competition for drinking now, I go carry cup, they go how.
Everybody know you now.
Because I drink well.
I know.
You understand? You get people where God give gift to the play ball. Some people God give them gift to the catch ball. Some people God give them gift to climb a wine tree. Some people God give them gift to bring the drink down. People like us, God give us talent to consume liquor. Okay. Yes, we consume liquor from left, right, and center, anywhere where you come from. My leg! See, okay, chere. See, make I tell you, The last time when I go for my sister Pikin, Omugo, when she born Pikin, if the Pikin wants suck breast, the next thing the Pikin go open and say, ah! The mama go know say na breast. My sister Pikin go carry breast, so show you on. You know that? So what is all they do in American Wonder?
No be play, they play now. My dad, they my leg waka enter my belly.
Your leg dey waka enter your belly. You be snake? No, only snake wey God give power make him leg enter him belly. Okay. Yeah, funny. Okay. Why you? Okay, I no go fit carry you. I go carry you now. Take am easy. Just try manage. Thank God say we don't even reach your house. Yeah? I go carry you now, but I no fit carry you. Okay, why you? Okay, I no go fit carry you. Help me, help yourself. Okay, help me, help yourself.
Mom.
Tobias. How is business?
We're hunting, not the girl again. Oh, the animal don't get sense. Nchibar also. Not only this my vulcanizer business. Not the whole body.
Man, Kiamaka, that's your lucrative bar business that you were doing. What happened?
Equals Ndilo, enemy.
How?
By this time, you go down through. So, people that come here finish, drink, they go home, go die. My shop. They can't drink, finish, my evening. They go home, go die. The whole village say, people they when they keep they come my shop. So I be others on deal. Then they miss. I say, now this organizing thing, now there I can't go. Can't take on the whole part. I just stayed there and say, I go again, boom. I said, I go church. They forced me to go church. What was the church? And I was catechy. What is a catechism? Question. Now, what will be your name, father? What will be your village? This is. Ask me finish. Answer. Tobe
Jesus. We brought you small afafia. Something small from the city. Go and bring the thing we brought from your husband. You remember the people back home. Hurry up, oh! Sogi. Never no belega. If I want to show no go lune come. Because pick up at corona.
Abalulu na nechegbu onwe m.
Mbano bara olulu.
Abalulu na nechegbu onwe m. Vulcanizer gaba. Abalulu na nechegbu onwe m. Ndita. Abalulu na nechegbu onwe m. Honda tonda. Abalulu na Oh maga no dogun. Okuna just anatam. The mother people talk nonsense. Obviously they do this, obviously they do that. One can nazo. I defend myself. Now, all the things where they get against me, their style now won't go use against them. If only metal yaporo. Obrajefe. Nene bube nya. Mponaka just carry her by myself, go park. Pay from my pocket for her transport to the city. Even the cloth where she wear come out. Now me buy him. She come back. Bring kai kai. Mama. Kai kai. Give me naira. Mama, 3 or 2. Pia like a singlet. Touch him. Ipopenya. We will know if it is bad that I have done to send her. Not even Obu. She couldn't even buy Obu. Obu nkete. No, I go bless him. Oh my God, at the vex. At the vex. At the vex. Oh my God, at the vex. At the vex. I will look at Caesar, yes, Caesar. I will look at Chinek, yes, Chinek. Chinek, Kenka, they decide. Caesar, oh my God, no. But okay. Got your phone. Let's try out, Baba.
I heard that witches and wizards now roam my village. That is why I came prepared with Onwa Ona. I have taken nobody's property. Therefore, nobody will take my property. I will not take a life. Nobody will take my own life. It is a fair prayer. Back to sender is a fair prayer. I am back in my father's village. Nobody will hurt me. I ask you to protect me and my daughter and my belongings. North, south, east, west.
Yeah, Baba Mago. Baba Mago.
Abushi no be ordinary people no. Abushi awu anjo. Ebere.
Actually, what is that? What's happened? It no do me to talk. But the thing why I hear be say, I don't know where here I no could tell Oburu. From they come, they go house. Then suddenly, in body come they go tenene tamama.
Now so the thing take happen. The thing be saying as we come they go. Now you come begin the complain say get us you know now say the thing don't come off for leg, you don't come for belly, you don't come off for belly, now you don't come for head, you don't come off for head. Now I come manage. Now I manage carry and go house yesterday. Now the result now be this one.
Una don't call brothers for abroad. Which brother? The brothers in relation.
Which kind of talk with that one? What did they try to tell me? We say water don't pass Gary.
No, they talk about the burial. Which one burial?
Which burial?
I buried this person well. I go Zumak. Make I tell you, men are going to find money when even I just gotta bring 1 or 2 plots together. Sell them. Jide gonna because men are bury and well. Even if brothers not come for this thing, may I make sure say people will come drink, chop. We can near
which burial? Why you?
I can't go far.
Who don't go far? Oh yeah, come. I don't want you. Leave Abushi. I warn you. Leave Abushi. Now see the result now. Huh?
I can't go far. No be here.
I
warn you. No they put mouth where Abushi put mouth. You no go here. Now see ya.
You say your brother go sweet.
Thank you.
If you die, I go first.
Abusi ba otune omolako. Abusi ba otune omolako. Kan go well. Mago na akwa and the kwai. Anwa ngozi. Gogo abogote. Go anyem noboda. Go anyem noboda. Ma kodo go afu. I go prepare well for you. If you not die, person when near you go die. You must die or I die. I don't go die. At the cliff, I must kill you. Next time when they talk to you. The most beautiful girl in the whole. Mama. Name Emaka. It's wine. Now you I want for my life.
Me?
Yes. Hey, the most beautiful girl in this whole village.
I have died. God. Me? Tobias or what is that his name? Agbese. Please, I've warned you that I'm not interested in you or your foolish request. Stop bothering me.
Make I tell you, I be hunter. A well-known hunter for that matter. Every animal for the bush, for the whole of this village, they respect me. If you need in China, for instance, big one or small, Nchocha, Mankenji, black, white. You don't ever see grass cutter where you get beer. I'll get and give you.
Tobias. Can I call Tobias? I will say.
Don't you know that you're old enough to be our father?
Ask him.
Onimaro!
I'll talk to you. talk to you. I hear say you be parrot. And I know. I hear him.
You heard very well, Tobias. You are an old man, Agade Kwenka. Go for people like you. Agade my babies. Those are your likes. Go for them.
Yes.
May I go for Agade my babies? Look at my face. Zerum can zergi. Huh?
Abusi, I heard. We heard that you're poisonous. Very poisonous. That all this just thing that you're doing is a cover-up. Maneworo community is ochaka and happy ma. Look for daughters of those that are in the same juju club with you and leave my friend alone. Ibu dibia di chaplet, buru Bible, yirizo ogu nuku, ogu ogu juria.
Hey young woman.
Yeah,
I'll come to the house.
Huh?
Okay?
Whose house? My house. Hey, thank God though, thank my God that Osita, my brother, is around. And you know what Osita can do to you, Okwaya?
Osita don't go feel chop me. I be Jesus. Jesus will always be there for me.
What can I see?
I don't know why we are wasting time.
Have you perceived it?
Yes, now.
Dirty pig.
Let's go.
Smelling man. Ozu. Ozu wa ifo ka mado de. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Abushiba, Otelebe, Otelezera, Bushina, Bushidinjo, Abushibotele, Otela Muraka, Abushiba, Otelebe, Otelezera, Bushina, Bushidinjo, Abushibotele, Otela Muraka.
But I know very well, no be small war in God will fight for the people. Like I tell you. Who see you can?
I hear you.
That is true. If you take fair marriage.
Not true, not true.
As we go my own now. When I finish my marriage, I go relax, begin go your own.
Hey, hey, Ross, thank you.
You know, say nobody that see me as a better person for this time.
No mind them.
No be small world. You know, go allow anybody to call me bad name. If they call me bad name, now you they call bad name.
Hey, Ross, you trust me, you know. You forget what I feel do. I don't mind buying, you know. You remember that thing when I do those boys we beat you off for village stream that last time when I come home? Trust me, trust me.
That time, bros. Now you don't go down. You know if you try him again.
But bros, you are right.
If you try him again, you don't fit. You know say you don't finish.
That's true.
And I go fire you.
Mama! Mama!
Please come. I remember something.
Mama, please.
You're going out?
Yes. Mama, take this money. I need to go to the market and buy things we used to cook oha soup. I need to eat original oha soup. You know it's been long now.
So, Osita, what of the money I asked for my sewing materials? Abush. Abush. Uncle Nebibia.
What a gromot? Nabam. Not on my.
And I'm probably bome.
Hey!
You come close. Don't go close to that.
Hey. So, this boy Belmont, you don't tell me.
What are you talking about?
I don't know. Okango Nebibia. Okango Nebibia.
Abusi.
Tobias.
Yes.
Huh?
Tobias. I don't be born again. Baptize my name to Tobias.
Yes.
Tobias na Saint. Call me Saint Tobias.
Mama Ezeku.
Don't mind him.
I'm Anthony.
Nebe.
You know all these things?
Saint Tobias or whatever you call yourself. My sister has told me how you will lay her on the road. Disturbing her everywhere.
Wele. Somebody go talk to his sweetheart. Na Wele. Somebody talk to his na Wele. Picodo. What kind of this thing? Eh? No more chaining.
Ochi Jamegin.
Give me the person come in law place to give and say.
Oh guys.
I come marry.
It's again, Ebere Megin.
What go kind of what?
Onye ki Ebere no?
Youth.
You are mad.
Abush.
You are senseless. You came to marry Yuche, my sister. Eh? Otu aide.
Oh.
Eh? Inene ko woga na mi no be fair putawa. Ebere no one mu why? Can you think that you were my sister? With what are you going to maintain her? With your hunting of organizing, which one?
What now? No, be say hunger no go kill her.
Mom.
And I'm alright.
Mom.
Anything when I eat, she eat.
Yes.
I'm gonna like canel. Even if na stand I chop, you follow me chop.
Abusi, nubu po onwe gi na why?
Bros, you package well well.
Asking nubu onwe gi na why?
What go tell na clear na one.
Na nubu na nya poverty is a disease oh.
Very big one.
See, poverty aba ego gi no boro, that is him. Tom wogi brain no to boro go kono na na yegi so. E ki je kwere kwere. See, let me tell you something. Just get out of this compound now. Get out of this compound before you sleep in the police cell. You can't know what I say about Christmas.
Yeah, okay. You are talking to my brother. Are you drunk?
Na no ko Kenya aro ananka.
Ezibo Kenya aro an.
Eh? Negodi here now. Look at you. You begin to chew if you just chew oko. Na we. It's like you don't know that this your brother is poisonous.
Bros, leave that thing.
But up here see about one now before you people end up in the police cell. I know.
Call police. Call police.
Don't worry.
Understand? Call police for them.
Hello?
Let them leave here.
Yes, DPO. This is Osita Nebue. There are some terrorists in my compound right now. Some kidnappers. I need you to send your men to arrest them.
Yes.
Please don't waste time. Don't just send them now.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Just keep staying here and see what will happen now.
Who they come out?
But bros, you say make I stand well now. Where would they go?
Stand.
No, stay here and watch what will happen now. Not on ever.
Stand.
You know hear something. You know what they talk?
Wait till you talk.
Onye kenaju. Kwe na jo din krenka ajwa.
You hear tell. First time we talk. And this. Don't worry. Abba kind.
I couldn't just where they go. No, you people would have stayed now. Yeah, no. Ndara no gari no wine. You buru mo. Make it if I know my sister.
Wait.
Make it be no wine. Bicycle catch you na my sister na this village.
Eh.
Marriage is a private vehicle. I ride them.
Ndị na-anya moto dị otu Afrịka, ọ gịnwa.
Ekpa ndokolo yi nubulu nwa na nwa.
Igbuke na ha mmiri.
Muri vukwele wevu.
Ka m fọgọ ebe again.
Abushimba, otelebe, oteleze, abushina, abushidinjo, abushibotele, otela murako, abushimba, otelebe, oteleze, abushina, abushidinjo, abushibotele, otela murako.
This thing you put on your hand. This bangle you put on your hand, you put me in trouble one day. People will think you started in Ekwagonshi. Remove this bangle on your hand. Let me tell you, Abushi, or whatever you're called, the person you're calling now is not available.
If you like, switch off, come out your battery. That will not consign me. Give me. Go back, my friend. You squeeze your face. You really had to put on my much more.
Okwe is dead.
You lose your face. Who won't die? Who will die before, even if you not die? Who will die? Let me go die. Okay, I die now. Die. Make who die? Die now. Oh. Now people when they are alive, that then go plan person for person when die. Do the burial, do everything. Send them to number 60 man street. For me, I don't choose canopy and drinks. And say these Oboro people, they go come. People they outside Nigeria.
Abuse.
Are you kidding yourself? I don't tell you people. You know the who can mom. I don't tell you people say Tobias. Not Abyss. Tobias.
Tobias Ogene Hana Pogi. Watch your mouth. Okwe is our friend. He was a friend, and you're talking like this. So?
Because a message they go straight to devil. They go give account of your life to devil. You no get any business at all for heaven. They no try. He was a bubbly man, sir. I wish he was. Oh, Bumaga! Ojana Wire. Oh, Bumaga! Fija. Okay, mom. Oh, Bumaga! Okay, can I book was a rarian? You also go about doing my nose. Rarian. One I've been for Tita. Ifunji, Ileji. This is war time. Wado, prepare well for this war. Join hands because we need victory. Oh, get Caesar. Yes, Caesar. Chile go believe. Ogayangada. Where are that way? You will. Caesar. Chileke yebuz. Go Caesar Neso. Anama abia. Victory. Mary Kacho. Mary.
Nah, my brother. This thing they called wonders, I don't think it will ever end.
For where?
This man you people call Abus in this village wants to come and marry my sister Yuchi.
Abus.
I'm telling you. The one that is tearing my head apart is how I will raise my face, raise my head in the public in this village and say that Abus is my in-law. Hey!
Abus. You know, that would be like begging for poverty in public.
I'm telling you.
Eyuche Otonwa. As in one no see obodo ibo bata. Don't that man have friends that advise him?
When you friends,
as old as he is, no. As he don't old finish. Eyuche, that young lady won't marry him. Nah, that man, in body just as I would no kaedebe na pia sotare. Na pia utakanabo.
Sister.
Abusi, what are you doing here? Huh?
Calm down. Calm down. See, this small will happen, not supposed to give us quarrel. I want me and you to be friends. I tell them we're a friend there. Even if you say me, I know if you be the best candidate for your sister, fine. I don't give up. I'm not going to ask for your sister again. I'm serious.
Abusi, are you sure of what you're saying? I know why I'm asking you this question, no? Because if I see you, if I see you with my sister again, what I will do to you, you will not like it, oh.
If you see me anywhere near your sister, call baby where the work. Cut my man.
You'll be my witness.
Anomian, I did.
My witness.
Anomian.
Okay. If that is the case, I have forgiven you. But make sure you have no business again to do with my sister.
You are massive more like this. I will let you get about again.
Okay, no problem. I sit down. Let them give me a drink. I'm with you. Sit down. Barman. Sit down and let them bring you a drink.
I want us to go and bless this car first. We'll come back. Hey! Let them bring drink. Hey! Oh, the man.
You see, when they said that you are repented soul, I never believed it. I was doubting it. Man, you actually make it I go see me joke na be joker.
Yeah, stay with them. For them I can go see.
What time am I because I was come now, what are you doing there? I was welcome man. Yes.
Moto.
Amen.
Anywhere he say make you go, they go.
Amen.
Every enjoyment we there for motor. The sister go get them.
Amen.
We no go stop her for road. We go until Ibarra when pass.
I will see Dikeh. Amen.
Because you go back when pass.
Amen. Of course.
Anything we want to do, you jump. Listen, I won't go to my other thing. This motor, anything where us you carry for mind, the enjoyment, everything, us you go get them.
Amen.
Ruby, see, there was now Jesus Christ.
Let's go back to the program.
I wish you were Hotel Zera Bushina Bushidinjo. I wish you both Hotel Morocco.
Oh boy, if you carry me go house. Carry you go where?
My house for you. Drop me before you go your house.
Not be your house with this and you follow me. Now this is wicked though. Come on, now so come on, follow me.
How are you?
I wish you Bushidinjo. I wish you both Hotel Morocco. Hey! Before.
Osita! Hey! Afomo!
Osita! Osita! What is it? What is it?
abushina bushidinjo abushi botele botela morako.
Hey!
Before.
Ah!
Osita!
Hey! Afomo! Osita! Osita! What is it? What is it?
Abushiba, Otelebe, Otelezera, Abushina, Abushiba,
Otwa, good timing. Nabo.
Abushiba, Otelebe, Otelezera, Abushina, Bushidinjo, Abushibotele, Otela Morako.
Ifoma.
What is it?
Hey.
What is it?
Finish, I've been looking for you. I even went to your farmland at Oboto. I've been looking for you, Kwensu.
What is it now? Talk to me.
It's Osita.
What happened? What happened to Osita?
Osita is very sick. Very, very sick. He's even vomiting blood, though.
Eh? Jesus!
I think it's poison.
Poison? Hey!
I don't know. Where are you going to? You won't even meet them at home. He has been rushed to the hospital.
Hospital?
Anna, my brother, drove him in his car. And your mother too.
Hey! Ndirabiago. Ifoma. Hey! Ndajo mother skid me. Ofanya Jafu's Osita, my brother. Do you know I told Osita not to come home? Not to talk of bringing a car. Look at what has happened to him. Okay, tell me, which hospital did they take him to?
I don't know the hospital. But calm down. He'll be fine.
See your firewood. Come this way. Come this way. Come this way. Hey.
Do you want your own leg?
Hey, Osita. Osita.
Hey, do you want your take it easy? Hey, take it easy. Don't follow.
Osita.
Hey, they are not there. Come now.
Osita.
Why you running up and down? Calm down. Do you know why you wound yourself? What is it again?
Where is it?
What is it?
The mother and the brother, they are taken to the hospital. They are all dead.
You're a liar.
I'm not lying.
You're a liar.
I'm not lying.
What do you think you did?
No.
What do you think you did?
I'm not lying.
You're lying. I liar, my brother. I liar is there. Jimo.
Very good. Eat ngwangwa, eat pepper soup, everything, that will never end. Make noise and insult the abyss, that will never end. Take motos, scatter the whole village, run, go up and down, carry girls for inside grief. Come on, Munun. What is your name? Eyuche. This man a pig, they stink, they smell. That pig when they smell go chop you. What if the other one then when get bad mouth? I go take una, do yeye.
Abushimba, Otelebe, Otelezera, Abushina, Bushidinjo, Abushibotele, Otela Murajo, Abushimba.
Your food is there. Are you eating it? Nai, please manage it. In the night, we'll make a better meal for you.
Okay. Thank you.
Abusi, I saw the way you were looking at my daughter.
Huh? Is that? Ebere. Step daughter. Abra one. Thank you.
Nanya?
Oh, madam, dog. Abusa abia. Where ka abusi. Baba fa. I won't travel. I won't give you power for the whole compound. Waka back and front everywhere they waka. Anybody will enter the window listen, give her one eye. Keep every other information. Anybody will bring any information or the one way you gather, keep them from me. When I come, give me. As I talk finish now, they come out. As you come out, move. I'll give you the power. Got it? Bye bye.
Oh, Mary Papa, no go. That is me. Magana.
Since I define where I go get strong, since I meet you, you give me something I walk come out. I never see any charm where get power the way you get. I can't ask myself, where you dey since? We may not find you. Ebere. Odogu came. First of all, make I say thank you for the one what you don't do and the one you could do more. Hear him. If not be you, all these small children, they would have passed down from my mouth. But as I take see you, now here come be the point of all my problem. All the way you give me before. Back him. Oh Magana, the only messenger that goes and come back with the result. Unless you never seen that. Another one. No family won't make her be their in-law. I got my back away. I got my head put on when. There must be women in my life. Do one. Make her get something. Any woman want to see. If you like, make her marry you. You know, consign me. If you like, make you a big man picking. I don't want to know. Anyhow, I go tell her make you follow me, you go follow me. Ejem Botara. Ejem Betara. Mabazak. Biko.
Omiri papa onigo. Omiri papa onugo. Ogu magana. Agbese. My shrine loves you.
God, it's important.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. You shall get what you ask for.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, that is me.
Let me warn you for the last time. I don't ever want to see you giving that man anything. You got different now, why? Nothing at all.
Mama, why? He's your brother. What is wrong if he appreciates my beauty?
I'm glad you know he's my brother. I know him better than you do. That man is a rapist. He never gets any woman. So he likes to rape women. That's the only way he can satisfy himself. He is admiring your beauty. Also, watch it. I've warned you for the last time. I know him. I know the kind of person he is. He's my brother. What is a chameleon doing in this compound?
Don't touch me.
Who said that? Someone just said, don't touch me. Bia, get me a stick. Let me kill this thing.
I will tell my master.
Chiba! The chameleon talks.
And I'm at you go wound.
Mama wound! We will see who will wound pass. Hold on for me. Where is it? Yeah? Where is it? Chimo?
It was here, Mama.
Hey. This is witchcraft. The highest level of witchcraft. Opiake boom ke boom. Agwana tombe. Mpa. Oh, see. Ocha. Bocha.
Udanigwe. Ojezu robot. Udanigwe. Oh my God. Udanigwe. Yeah? Namu another one. Yeah, why got another booze? Oh, Ebere on the way. The message again. Gent. Oh my God. You can't let me up on it. All the power that I gave you, not before, fully, use it. Okay. Make we do what we come for. Oh my God. Give gap. This one. After Holy Spirit. The powers. Oh my God. Abariba no way. You get the love. The one way you know if you do. This one, go down. Or Up, go down. Isi Sibia. Isi Sibia. All visitor. Obinigwe. 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 That's it. All room on that. Yes. Nanke. Okay, the Mexico. You are finished. All right. Nyayika. Agri wako. Watch up. Watch up. Welcome. From today, any he or she that we give you Holy Spirit, make this medicine work well to what we want. Our choice. Try. The choice is your Go zen myself.
Where
the fish? I want.
Ichorokamuwo. Abush. You want make her die? Abandon.
Why the truth your nose? What did they smell you?
Ajog nish. Juju, they smell. Since when you enter this place now, Juju they smell.
Charm the smell.
See, make I tell you, Abush, these bad things what they do for this village. Remove a hand for bad things. You waka come for this place now. Only God wait there for heaven. Only God wait there for heaven. Now you go know the thing where they perceive. Human being no go know. You see this juju where they pack up and down. Remove your hand for juju. And even who be your next victim now? Onye who your next victim? Onye ki na get pray. Release this juju way holo. Release them now. Make them go. Because the day when this juju go visit you, he go flog you like small pikin. Leave me, make I talk. I want talk. You know, but I don't warn you. I dey tell you.
Okoda. Meme kwagi here.
Again, meme again.
Meme kwagi here.
It is that they fear you. So for your mind now, you think say I dey fear you. I know they fear you. If everybody for this village they fear you, Okoten they fear you. I don't tell you. If you not remove your hand, na nshinaja enagwa. Remove. If you not come out your hand, I go expose you for this village. I go expose you. Say even goat, fowl, ant, even okay, go know about you. Remove your hand. I dey tell you. In fact, I go come out for this place before you go tempt me. People will think say me and you would they do the same thing. Your bottle return over. I go return your bottle after. Ajonye is here. Ajonye don't come take over. Where my belt? Oh, Rose.
Wag. Queens. No, this idiot. My old man on the forget. I guess on the way I hope for him now. Your matter, I go take time to treat him. Hello, Maya. Look, please.
No matter your juju, there is God. Nothing past God. No matter your juju, there is God.
Hey, where the rush go?
I want to get something.
Where's your mother?
She's in the farm over there.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Uncle Abby, you're not a nice man, no. You bought something of 500 naira since for my mother and you don't want to pay.
Become. No shout. Eh? I'll come back this evening when a place can't give you.
No, Uncle Agbi. Mama! 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 Come and see Uncle Agbi. He wants to run.
Abusi, wait for me there. Wait.
Abug.
Wait, pay today, you must pay.
Wait. Abusi, my 500.
Abug.
Look at him.
My 500 naira. Abusi, my 500 naira. Either you give me my 500 naira or you go naked.
You know who you hold. Eh? Abug. No orange.
Orange. Cheddar.
If I go naked here, do you know how many cows? Eh? I'll come this evening and give you your money.
You see, I want it now. It's been long now. Give it to me.
Why are you getting angry like this? Why are you this?
500 naira is not a small money.
Leave that cloth. Well, later I'll come this evening and give you the money.
Abisi, I want my money now. Give it to me.
Now. Now.
Yeah.
Apple. 500. You will take it there. Think a big pass 500 now will come. Don't worry. That's the one. Huh? My 500 now. Then I have one scapular for you. You will come fetch water for me for evening.
Okay, man.
Maybe go back to ask you the break again. Because you may be more.
Happy. You will take 500.
I'll come and fetch water.
Okay.
Mama, it's okay. Let's go.
I wish you back. I wish you hotel Amuraco. I wish you back. I wish you hotel Amuraco.
Nne m afọzi m unu kwụsị. Eyi nwanne m sorry. Ndom. Oh? Ndị ezigbo nwa m. M na-ebezi n'anya mmiri azụ. Oh? Whatever that happened to you, it happened to me too. Eh? I know they talk about marriage again now. Eh? Yeah? Sorry. Oh? My mind, they tell me, say that boy won't die. Nobody ordinary die. Somebody kill him.
You're right. They said it's their business colleagues that killed them.
Oh.
The prophet that we consulted told us so.
Sweet. I'm sorry, my dear. Huh? Now retreat. After they come so.
Yeah.
You go end today. I just make a come out. See my come find on now. You get something where that give me. Scapula, chaplet, so many things where they wear cross. So this is now the spiritual warfare. The material for war and medicines. If you wear them, nothing will happen to you. Since when I begin wearing them, you don't ever hear anybody try me. Huh? Look at you now. Oh, no. Because
what is it?
This is cross scalpel. This. They wear them. No. Very so. Not.
Thank you.
No, what's that?
Hey, Nkema kazi kwa Nkem.
Akunya.
Tobias and Watches.
Just go. Nothing will happen to you. Both Scorpio, everything. You don't be protected.
Tobias, please, I want to apologize for all the insults I've rendered on you.
Oh.
Please, forgive me, I'm sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, it's one okay. Welcome. Let me carry my bucket. So bad they go to Mugo self. Okay. Oh, thank you. Bye bye.
Ifoma.
Abushiba, Otelebe, Otelezera, Bushina, Bushidingo, Abushiba, Otela Muraco, Abushiba, Otelebe, Otelezera, Bushina, Bushidingo, Abushiba, Otela Muraco.
Hey! Madam! Hey! It don't happen, no! It don't happen, no! Hey!
The brother-in-law warn her. Say make she no pull leg for that land again. Then she carry herself go the land. And one of them is for that land, he go kill her. So now they will carry the comfort.
Mama! It's a stubbornness that killed her. Hey!
You mad? Why you go begin go make stubborn with the brother-in-law?
Hey! Mama!
Hey! Man, I can't go. Man, not go begin. But not begin spoil. Man, they can't go.
Hey!
Jeba? Go 500. What are you? I'm sure if I was Inez.
The heart of man is filled with evil and wickedness, spreading death and destruction. But we thank God there is no peace for the wicked. Nothing past God.
Remember, go home. Thank you. Make it.
I'll say this again, Mama. What you're doing is wrong. You can't cut your brother up just because you're suspicious of him.
It's not right. Mama, what all this simply means is that you don't trust me, your daughter.
You just said he's my brother, Okoya?
Yes.
Good. So I know him better than you do. I saw the way he was looking at you that day you gave him food. And you were wearing this low blouse. His eyes were inside your do-do-do-do. He was looking there. And I could read his face. You know, nonsense. Let me tell you, it's about time he stayed on his own. We stay on our own. You got to go? How do I even do this one now?
Go back again.
I'm going. Gabazia. Gabazia!
What's in the app?
You see, what's in the app?
In a good cage.
Achomi keji, where kechi weba no. Ke no long way, no long way. Do you think I did not see the way you were looking at this girl? The other day she was giving you food. I saw the way you were looking at her. Enough. I will divide this compound. You stay on your own and face your side. We stay on our own and face our side. That way there will be peace.
Everybody can sit down.
You see?
You're sick.
I'd rather more baby.
I'm always. What this character we do? You just go to choir. They shout for him. They tell us that me I be rapist.
So what I called you as a daughter to discuss with you, you went to tell him?
No, Mama. Come here. Mama, I did not tell him.
I said come here. I said you come here. I didn't tell him. I come out for board. I can't from us. I will teach you a lesson. A lesson you will never forget. I will say. Cross the fence. Cross the fence. Nonsense. Come and help me now. Come and hold this. Hold this thing, my friend. Put them off this thing.
Make I tell you, any day way you see, you need to make this man pass, which make him pass. No who will go carry room or go give. I was saying now. See, make I tell you, any day way you see me, sit down one place they drink with Abose, make you call me Nama. In fact, if you know the highest animal we go call me that day.
Nah, what did make you come take this kind of decision way strong like this?
See, I'm walking at you. Let me the ask. Oh, yeah, swear with your mouth, say you don't know.
I don't know now.
You don't know. It's alright, as you don't know, me I go talk am. You see how much way they see, Abusi now one of, in fact, the highest juju man we dey for this hour you get the land now Abusi. And the one wey dey pay me pass be say, no be only say the man they do juju. If you do in juju finish, you go come use church activity, they cover am. Now that one I dey pay me pass.
Oh, nah, see. The one where they pay me pass be say, if they take Holy Communion every morning, and for Sunday, now that one shock me pass.
Which Holy Communion? Which you only see make I tell you, make you no shock you. You understand? But what I go tell you now be say, you see, now that woman picking the cry you. But they no go think say, with the gossip Abusi, come. See make I tell you, Abusi with in hand, it dey gather punishment. In fact, it dey pack punishment like where tip at the pack sand. We don't want to take. Madam. Come. See make I tell you, in the using own hand they gather punishment. The day where God go remember Abusi for this you get the land. The day where God go remember him, you go take your eyes here, take your nose.
That means go shit for church, carry Bible clean.
Hey,
you what thing carry on they pass the same road with us?
Yeah, we are visiting Agbese.
Onye?
Agbese.
You're visiting Agbese?
And what is wrong with that? Agbese is a good man. And we even made special food for him. If you don't like it, kiss the grass.
Wait, you want carry food, go give Agbese.
And what is wrong with that?
Wait, when Agbese begin to get women wing, for this you get the land.
Oh, stop it though. Just don't say that. Stop spoiling Tobias' name for crying out loud. Stop it.
Stop spoiling Tobias' name for God. Which God? Tobias no God. Come. You be Tobias' girlfriend.
Agbese is a good man. We'll prepare special food for him. If you like, kiss the grass. Thank you.
Which kind of Tobias would they talk like this?
See, make I tell you, you see all these girls, no be their eyes until they do this thing. If you know, see as that girl they do like Omaliko, she they do like this. If you like,
see, make I tell you now. Very soon, then go to be the women who stay for Agbese compound.
See, make I tell you, you know be even that one my problem now. What we go do now be say we go meet Igwe, go tell Igwe. Igwe go meet town crier. Town crier go knock town crier for this. You get the land. Warn all the whole women. You understand? All the whole women and all the whole wives, daughters. They go warn everybody. But then they careful. Yeah,
don't be smart, you know.
That's not what happened. You remember that man that sells this thing in town? Okay, in front of our house.
Umuasa!
Toby, you know what? We brought food for you. Yes. So I will just go inside and serve it for you.
Go.
Oh,
yeah!
While she's serving the food, bring out your dirty clothes. Let me help you wash them. Okay. Tobe!
Yeah! Okay, what? You don't see women, you don't see fine girls. Oh, my fine girls will go create, take time create. You are
is it my daughter Nonya you're talking about?
Nonya. Is she a match?
Uncle, what's
it? How can you compare me with these village champions? Uncle Abbas, take a good look at me. How can you look at the backers or the complete? Take a look at the front fender or the well-loaded. You dare to compare me with these things? Umaza, Iburisi!
Nena, come back home!
Ibubuya Sha.
Go inside and hide this thing. Okaro. Enter, he will dream about you.
He will keep talking and talking.
In your next life, you can never get anything like this. What are they succulent?
Hey you!
Nabla!
Okofor, this your shit where they smell like pussycat shit. And I use shit, or in a young one.
What's your problem? Make I tell you. Make I tell you. Whether I shit, I been a worm. None of them they easy. If you don't know. Yeah? Shit na serious business. Oh. And as a matter of fact, you get some kind of shit where you go to shit like this. You go be like say they labor room, they bomb picking. Those ones. I don't shit the main shit. Now one small one I remain. I ain't home in that place since.
Ebere seen maybe Kena.
Oh yeah. Ah, who be this pincho? Who give you this labor? Who give you this punishment?
See. I know say this road no be the road to on a house. Where you they carry this water they go?
I'm taking it to Tobias. He told me to help him get water.
Tonya?
What has he done again?
What to? Abush again?
You know he has no grandchild. And his wife is late. I'm just helping him more. But that Tobias is a nice man.
Huh?
Again? It's Bongwa.
Your uncle no say you they carry this water they go up his house.
Do I have to tell him? By the way, why are you questioning me?
I even sure say by this your size we get now, it shows say you never take away drop your feet in bottle. In fact, it be like Mmeji Akra. Your mama and papa bomb pikin finish. Now God can say okay, when I don't try, they use you do jara. Now in fact, mbro soji, now you be. Alligator pepper. Now you be. You want carry this thing go give Abushi. When Abushi want begin the ne soli ne egure. See, make I tell you, this thing where you want do now. This is what you want do. What you and Abushi want do. Now waiting Oyibo people they call children's children's abuse. Now be the thing where you and the Abushi want go do now.
So people won't mind your business.
You go and marry him. See, best why they pity for? Eh? Ha! Abushi, Abushi, water carry.
Okote, see. Me as I dey here now, I no go feed inside water, soap enter my eye. This thing don't reach to go call police. Oh. Go call police before Abushi go carry under 10 or picking where mama just shit out.
Wait. That is me and you. Go call police for Abushi. You know what will happen? Now this way is suggestion, a very good suggestion. You go call police for Abushi. Me, I go house, go buy your coffee, key.
Huh?
Yes.
What's that? Not me and you go follow go now. Not me and you go follow go.
Don't tell you what I tell you finish. I'm not going to talk again.
You not go follow me go again?
Just what you need to do is say, should be one go call police. Go call police. Me, I go there for house, go prepare your coffee. You understand? Call police for Abusi. I prepare your coffee.
I see you as somebody who get mad for this community. Yeah, why they do like this? Huh?
Abushi ba, otele be, otele zera abushi na abushi dinjo.
Hey! Hey! Achichibala. How? You bring water for me?
Yes, Nan.
Hi. Ibaba.
If there's any other thing you want me to do, tell me.
That is, go give me the water, join the voice and then come for that one.
Yes, Nan.
Drop it there. Try. Yeah. Go inside. And then come. Nilo. Ebube. Come and see chains of beautiful girls. You never said it, I tell you before. See, even this Achichipa. You never see Piakam. You still see chain. Line of beautiful girls. Devil to the me. Yes.
Hey, Chai! Hey!
See, guys!